Apps. I'm not talking appetizers. I'm talking about those little apps on your phone. They dominate our lives. The problem is there are 3.5 million apps on the Google Play Store and 2.2 million on the Apple App Store. And businesses are in a constant struggle to drive traffic to them. Now, this is a massive opportunity. In fact, the mobile media advertising market is worth more than $300 billion. And there's one company I think that is perfectly positioned to capture a lion's share of this. Hi, I'm Matthew Card, Chief Trend Strategist at the Oxford Club. Thank you for watching this episode of Market Trends. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on my best trading ideas, which I share here each and every week. Now, the leader in the app marketing space was one of the breakout stars of 2020. The company is Digital Turbine. Ticker symbol is APPS, which is also a company I personally am a huge fan of and have been following for a while. In a nutshell, it's an advertiser that helps companies reach new audiences and tap into new revenue streams with its mobile delivery platform. Now, this platform offers a setup wizard, dynamic and single tap installs, smart folders, notifications, a media hub, and an open market. Digital Turbine currently has partnerships with more than 40 app developers and original equipment manufacturers, OEMs. These include household names like AT&T, Cricket, LG Electronics, Lyft, Panasonic, Samsung, and Verizon. Digital Turbine has delivered more than 3 billion app preloads for tens of thousands of advertising campaigns, and it's only about to get bigger. The company has added Appreciate, Ad Colony, and Fiber to its portfolio, and this has been transformative for its business. To kick off June, Digital Turbine released fiscal 2021 fourth quarter results. Revenue jumped 142% to $95.1 million. App media revenue grew 95% to $67.2 million, and earnings per share rose from 5 cents all the way up to 25 cents. For its fiscal year 2021, the company reported revenue increased 126% to $313.6 million. But this didn't even begin to underscore the growth that's on the horizon. For its first quarter of fiscal year 2022, which is where we're at right now, revenue is projected to jump 291.5% to more than $190 million. And at the same time, EPS is expected to more than double from 13 cents all the way up to 31 cents. All right, I get it. That's a lot of numbers to deal with, but I just want to illustrate just how much growth we're about to see, not only in the quarter where we're in right now, but the one that's coming up. Because in its upcoming second quarter, revenue will soar to more than $291 billion. And for the year, the mobile advertiser is projected to see its sales skyrocket 255% to $1.1 billion. Now, I just want to say that's amazing to see, since when I first started covering this company, it was reporting a mere $34 million in quarterly revenue. So this is a huge transformation that we've seen just over the last couple of years. Now, shares of Digital Turbine dropped heavily recently, and that's because there's some weird fear that Google is blocking the company's app on Android phones. To start the month, Google's core update rolled out on July 1st and requires that all Google Play developers use the Android app bundle format. Now, for some in the mobile advertising business, this does present challenges, but what investors are missing or missed or intentionally misinterpreted is this is a transition that's been known about since 2018. A major company like Google doesn't announce a file format shift suddenly overnight. Digital Turbine has prepared for the transition. The file format change has no impact on Digital Turbine's business, it says so itself, or its customers. In fact, it makes it easier because it reduces administrative support. But that pullback allows us to buy shares at a really steep discount, not only to their 52-week highs, but where they were trading at the beginning of the month. Today, Digital Turbine's media advertising market share is more than $1 billion, and that's only going to increase. Even better, shares have pulled back sharply from their 52-week high of $102.56, which was set all the way back in March. But the consensus price target is $107.60, which represents an upside of more than 50% from where they're currently trading. Digital Turbine is one of those companies that I love. I really like shares at this level. They're trading at this deep discount. And as we see this company continue to gain market share over the next couple of years, I think shares are going to skyrocket. Well, I'm Matthew Carr, Chief Trend Strategist at the Action Club. Thank you for watching this episode of Market Trends. For more information like this, be sure to go down to the description and sign up for my free e-letter. Until next time, here's to high returns.